Hi everyone, this is my 6 months post-op update after having my InnoRIB cartilage rhinoplasty at JW using the InnoFit technique.
Last year September, early September. So over 6 months, between 6 and 7 months.
Yeah.
Okay, can I check your nose? Is it from the face? Okay. I put the 3D printing diced cartilage for the bridge, and tip was projected with rib cartilage and base reduction. And you can see the picture before surgery. Okay, this is the pre-operative picture, and you had a flat bridge and wide base, a little short nose. Okay, flat and tip was low and a little upturn. So this taller bridge is being maintained very well, and it was projected, and elevation reduction was done well. So the 3D printing glued diced cartilage is a very up-to-date, very novel technique, and I am very happy with the result because your nasal bridge became taller and the absorption is nearly zero. And even though you have a taller bridge, there is no operated looking appearance. And because this is your own body tissue, so with silicone implant, there may be a little sign of operated looking, like thin skin or visible margin of the implant, but with glued diced cartilage, we cannot find any sign of operated looking, like visible graft or visible margin. So I'm very happy with the result. And the scar quality looks very good. So I can see a little scar, but it can be improved much more. And so around 1 year, you cannot see any scar around your base. Okay, any other questions?
It was just nice seeing you.
Okay, great to see you again,
Nice to
and
see you
I'm
too.
very happy with the result.
I'm very happy with the result. It's my nose.
I'm also very happy.
You made it, but it's mine.
Okay. Oh, thank you for coming today, and
thank you.
have a great time in Korea.
Thank you.
And see you again soon.
So what is the InnoFit rhinoplastic technique? So when I had my surgery, I actually had to fly to Korea 1 week earlier than my scheduled surgery date. And the reason for that is that I had to wait 7 days for the InnoFit mold to be printed. When I arrived in Korea, I had my pre-op checkup, and I also had my CT head. And they also scanned my face and uploaded it into their computer program. And when I had my consultation with Dr. Sa, I discussed with him what I wanted to achieve with my nose. So he helped me design my new nose using the InnoFit program. And once I was happy with the final result of my new nose, it got sent to the InnoFit company, where I had to wait 7 days for the mold to be printed. Then I had my surgery. So during my surgery, Dr. Sa had to actually harvest some cartilage from my ribs and dice this cartilage and then mix it with the surgical glue. Then he used the InnoFit mold to shape my new nose bridge and put it into my nose. And this is the result. So when I had my surgery, I had to wait 1 week for the InnoFit mold to be printed. And the good news is you guys don't have to. I've just been told by JW that it'll only take 1 day for the InnoFit mold to be printed. So I hope my story and my update helps you. And if you have any more questions, please don't hesitate to email JW Clinic. All right. Thank you. Bye-bye.